All right, y'all. Welcome back to the Dominoes 7 Show live location at my crib. Okay, showing y'all some past clips and stuff like that from my shows throughout the years, and especially archives that haven't been featured in certain episodes. You know, so the way I think about it, I love doing this show, and I love showing y'all what I did over the years and everything and stuff like that. It's been a great 11 years, okay? Yep, I've been doing this show since 2010, September 2010, 6 days after my birthday, you know? Yep, I sure love doing this, sure love entertaining y'all, okay? If y'all are much entertaining, okay? Alright, so anyway, I'm going to show y'all some more clips, okay? The best of the Domino 7 Show as far as y'all know, okay? Alright, so I'm going to show y'all some clips from these conventions and probably my family if I think about it more, okay? Alright, so check out these clips. Alright, welcome to the show on the archives. How y'all doing?
Oh, what's up?
Alright, she don't want to be on the show. Oh, you're on the show?
Yeah, we're on the show.
Yeah. Well, yeah, I'm filming. His mic going mixture randomness if I think about it.
Okay.
Yeah, I do mixture randomness with MechaCon, Comic Con connected, even family activities.
Yeah.
Hey, how y'all doing? Y'all on the show?
Oh, we were gonna let them do their interview.
Oh, all right. So this your first time at?
I've been coming to MechaCon since 2011.
Oh yeah. So that means you've been coming to MechaCon before me.
Yeah, I've been coming since 2011.
2011, all right, and I've been coming in since 2013. In 2011, I was living in New Iberia at the time.
Yeah, I think I've been coming since 2011 too. Yeah.
Oh, all right.
So we've been coming for a while.
Oh, all right. So all right. I'm glad y'all here in New Orleans. So make sure.
I'm from New Orleans.
Oh, you're from New Orleans?
Yeah. Or I'm from Metairie. But...
Well, I love Metairie. I'm trying to move back out there. I'm gonna try to buy a house out there.
Oh, nice.
I'm on disability.
Yeah.
You know, I'm a little disabled to be honest though.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah, I'm part autistic. That's why I get a check. I can't work. You know.
I have Asperger's, so I get it.
Me too.
Yeah, I have Asperger's, so I get it. It's hard for me to work sometimes.
Yeah, because you know, let me tell you this. It's a shame for me to air my business. The last time I worked, I almost beat the man's job. I was that close of hurting her. You know.
Yeah.
Well. Thank God because when I picked up my first and last check, she was trying to be all nice. Oh fuck it, excuse my language.
Yeah.
All right, so
Trust me, I'm 28. I'm good.
28,
Yeah.
and I'm 34.
Yeah, so we're not that far off. We're all good.
Oh yeah, and my friend Bobby used to pay for me to get him. I'm sure my friend Bobby watching. Would y'all like to say it to my friend Bobby?
Hey, Bobby.
And my friend Randy watching too. Would y'all like to say it? Randy TV.
Randy TV.
Oh, would y'all go to Comic Con?
Oh, we do. Yeah.
Oh, hopefully y'all definitely see me there.
Yeah.
Oh, you could come. Y'all want to be on the show, huh?
We're filming.
Oh, y'all want to be on? Oh, all right. You're on the show now. Well, who's this? Oh, you're on the show. All right. Oh, bless you.
Sorry.
All right. So anyway, what's your name?
Oh, I do have a cosplay page. It's Riddler cosplay, but the character I'm cosplaying right now is Weevil Underwood from Yu-Gi-Oh.
Okay, and your name?
I don't have a cosplay name, but my name
Well, a real name?
is Skip.
Skip. Oh, your name?
Harry.
Harry. Oh, don't say your full name because I want nobody to know your full name.
Oh, that's fair.
Mm-hmm. Oh, Team Rocket. Hey. Oh man, something wrong with the lens. Oh. It was a film of Mardi Gras Indians. Block my shot, folks. Hello, what's happening? Welcome back to my archives. We have
Rachel.
Rachel and
Ash.
okay. So y'all enjoying MechaCon?
Yeah, it's fun.
So this y'all first and last day here?
This is my first and last.
Okay.
Second.
Oh, cause you know the other day the escalator got stuck.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a bummer.
Oh yeah. But anyway, y'all been to MechaCon before?
Yeah. This is my 6th or 7th time. Wait, 7th.
Yeah, this
7th.
this is my 7th year too. My first two years I had no money to get in. So anyway, last year my mom passed away. You know, so I'm still dealing with that though. You know, so I hope y'all enjoy MechaCon, yeah.
Me too.
So anyway, I hope y'all come next year. Y'all have a blessed day.
Me too.
All right. So anyways, let's go down here and check to see what's going on. Fast escalators over there. Oh, what's over here? If only Randy Butt would be here. What's over here? Huh? Oh, what's over here? Oh, video rooms. Okay. All right. It's all right. I can go in, right? Oh, which one I should go in? All right. So, yeah, no smoking, no. All right. Well, I ain't going in there. Never mind that. Ain't nothing over here. So we gonna go step out. Nothing over there for me. Nothing over there for me. So I might as well go. All right. So, and Randy watching my shows like, Oh, what's over here?
They're saying they're hoping for fifth season. Yes, it is. It's on Hulu.
You dressed as Elvis Presley?
No,
Oh.
Space Dandy.
Huh?
Space Dandy.
Oh, the reason why I asked because of the hairdo.
It is his wig.
Oh, all right. Would you like to be on my show?
No, thank you.
Oh, okay, I'm
I
sorry.
gotta leave soon.
Okay, because I'm filming right now.
I got you.
All right. So what's everything here?
Oh, no.
Oh, I'm showing my viewers. Y'all won't be on the show? Oh, I ain't gonna put y'all on.
I'm really shy.
Oh, say it again.
I don't like being in videos.
Oh, I'm not gonna do that. Okay. So, all right. So nobody likes to be filmed. Oh. Oh, they must be looking over here. I wonder who they're looking at. All right. So, might as well go to the. I ain't taking no more pictures this time, you know. Oh well. I'll film my other camera. Yep. And it's damn rain. Look how it's dripping. See? I think it's gonna be cool tomorrow. Probably. I'm glad it's raining today. I'm super glad. Rain or shine, I go somewhere unless it's cold. Unless it's cold, I'll go rain or shine. Whoa. All right, let me get outside. The rain is coming on this porch. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed those clips. And for the life of me, what the heck I was doing showing y'all rain in these clips? Yeah, it was raining hard, I know. But why the hell I was showing y'all some rain? I don't get it, okay? But who cares? This is the Domino 7 show, not the Krusty Krab show, or the SpongeBob show, or the Flintstones or whatever, okay? That's all I say. This is the Domino 7 show, not the Dice 7 show, okay? I don't know who Dice 7 is, you know, so I'm pretty sure he's a real person, like me, okay? Alright, so thank y'all for watching the best of the Domino 7 show. I'm going to continue showing y'all clips tomorrow, okay? I'm about to go to sleep, you know. I normally don't go to sleep this early. I sometimes go to sleep like at 11 o'clock, okay? So I'm about to go hit the sack and watch some cartoons, okay? Yeah, I love cartoons, you hear me? Old school cartoons and probably the Powerpuff Girls. Or I might watch Taxi tonight, okay? Alright, thank y'all for watching the Domino 7 show, okay? Alright? I'm going to show y'all the clips tomorrow like Bob Barker said. Help control the pet population, have y'all pet spayed and neutered. See y'all tomorrow, okay? Bye.